Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm actually at a dam. This is the intro after we've been fishing, but I just wanted to show you guys what we're using. We're actually using this ballista trimmer. Now, I've actually broken the ballista trimmer, so I had to make a timber extension for it because the plastic part broke. So it still works good, still does the action, and yeah, we actually got a fish on it, which is pretty funny. We actually got 3 big cod this trip on all on surface. I got 1 cod, and James, my mate, he got 2 cod on surface, which was pretty unreal. So we didn't get to film everything. We just got little snippets and bits of that of the fish and everything. So stay tuned and enjoy the video, and give me a thumbs up if you like it. So I'll see you next one. That's what I'm doing.
Nah, but I mean like...
Before?
Yeah, like us fishing like this.
Oh yes, I got it on camera.
Dude, that was such a sick take.
I caught it on camera, no hindsight, nothing. You're kidding, right next to the
Dude,
boat.
it's big. Oh man, I gotta stop the electric.
Come on, come on.
Oh, it's almost big.
Fuck, he's
Fucking... Oh,
let's go! I got that on
yeah.
camera. I got that on camera too.
Oh.
What just happened? You wanna do it or you want me to?
Yeah.
You got it? Stand over here. Oh, jeez. He's going nuts.
He just destroyed that bib. See, that's what
Oh,
it
he's broken the bib.
Yeah, I got another one though.
Yeah. Anyway, eh? Look, he just destroyed that bib. He's gone.
Yeah, that's why
You
they
have to
changed.
replace
That's
them.
why they changed it
Yeah.
with that part across the bottom. That makes it a bit more sturdy.
Hell yeah.
Got you in the nose, brother. Alright, that one's gonna go back in the mouth.
Net. Yep. I'm the net guy. Bastard. Sorry. Yep. Videoing. Oh, hang on.
94.
What is that? On video?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's video? Yeah, it is.
94 on surface. Fucking another one. Lovely fish. Let's get it back, eh? Yeah, the boys.
Phew. Here you go. Just use heaps of bits of like segments of videos.
Yeah.
What's that? Big one on.
You.
Hope she stays on. It's a good one.
How you feeling?
Oh, pretty excited. I'm cold.
Pretty good now.
I'm really cold, so let's
Better
hope
get
she
this
stays
net.
on. The homemade version. Homemade ballista. She's big.
Hang on.
She's good. She's pretty good.
Declan's on. First one of the
Thanks.
morning.
Thanks for taking me out, James.
No, not a problem, man.
That's fucking awesome. Oh yeah. Oh man. She's alright.
It's a good fish.
Only just pinned. Only just pinned.
Let's go.
Oh, I'm so happy for that. My hand is frozen solid.
Everything's frozen. Look at the depth.
Oh, it's cold. But I got the fish.
There's another one just there.
Yes! I'm so happy that happened. Oh, man. Like a day in a morning session. Get it?
A lot of hard work.
A lot of hard work, but we got it. Yes.
All right.
I got another one, guys. Let's go. Let's see how much she measures. On the homemade ballista tremor. There we go, guys. Nice. 96 on top water.
Well done, brother.
We're gonna try and release it now, so I'm just gonna slowly.
I'll stay on this side.
Yeah, slowly. Okay. Come here, big girl. Oh, there she goes. Woo!
Well done, brother.
Got it.
Legend.
We got it. Oh, I can go home happy. I don't know. Yeah, okay. Neck minute. It's not a carp.
It'd be lovely. So it's good. Is the water just behind those trees? Yeah, it is.
It's like an island, isn't
It's
it?
a few trees.
Oh, get fucked.
Yes. Yes.
What?
Yes.
What?
Brother.
What?
Yes.
Alright, net. He's big.
Let him keep through this. Let him keep. Alright.
Get in the boat, dog. Phew.
He's high 90s.
Let's go, we're killing it. Hey, bro, he's a meter, I reckon. He's a meter.
That's so sick.
Bro, that didn't last long.
Dude, that was first like 10 minutes.
That's beating the last record, isn't it?
Dude.
Can we get him in, or do you want to get it?
Oh.
Bro, that's a meter, right? Sorry.
Yes.
I chucked it on the ground. I was like, I'm
Dude,
getting that
on
thing
the
in.
fucking bitchy lures.
Let's go, let's go, let's
On
go.
the bitchy. He's gonna be so stoked.
I reckon he's a 90. Have you, wait, is your mat in here? Hang on a sec. Do
Yeah.
you want to get your mat out? I'll hold this. That's hectic. I did not expect it to
I
happen.
told you that was cold on that fucking sounder.
Actually. Alright, I'm gonna lean back. You got it?
Lean on that side, yeah.
Yeah. I remember from last time. Yeah, he's like 90s to a meter.
Yeah, mid. Hold that. I want to
Yeah.
get a photo
Oh, on the veggie.
of the ruling.
Nah, he's a metery, I reckon. Hang on, hang on, hang on.